Hello again, Jonathan here from COHO, and the videos to date in the compliance series have all focused on actions that you'll be required to take as a manager. This video is going to focus in on what the tenant will see, and that's really important for you to understand because a lot of that viewing is also linked into their acknowledgement of these compliance documents. For context, they can't physically sign or approve the AST until they have not acknowledged each of these individual compliance documents. So I'm going to show you what that looks like from a tenant's account. So when they log in and when they're prompted to sign their AST, they'll have an action here. They'll view that action and go down to the signing of the tenancy agreement. We've got the draft sample here, draft AST that they can view. But what they need to do once they've viewed that is they need to go through and physically read and acknowledge each of these compliance documents. So they'll click view, which will open up the document. Once they're happy with it, they then have to click acknowledge. So we'll do that for each of the key documents, as well as the right to rent guide or how to rent guide, sorry. And then they will click continue. So that is them acknowledging each of the documents. As I mentioned earlier, they have to do that before they go on to apply their e-signature. So it gives you a record of those documents having both been seen and acknowledged. And in the next video, I'll quickly show what that looks like from your side of things, what it looks like as a manager who then receives that acknowledgement back and how you can then refer back to those documents having been seen and acted upon. So that is a tenant view of the compliance documents. I hope it helps. But any questions, as always, do just let us know. Speak soon.